I love how enthusiastic everybody is. What we're gonna do today is a blind contour drawing. To sit across from each other and to really see each other. The exercise is all about connecting. I think eye contact is key to connection, but there's nuance. There's this cone of direct gaze where you can actually look at someone's ear, you can look here, anywhere around here, and they'll still believe you're looking at their eyes. So this is a really nice way to coach people. If eye contact is difficult, you can do that.
Eye contact for the online meeting.
Yeah.
Position the camera.
I like to see the person's face, and so I'm looking down there. I have to remind myself to look up because it makes them feel that you're connecting with them.
Having fun discussions, fun activities, I think helped us look at it with a different perspective, realizing that this isn't one fits all. Everyone has different comforts levels with eye contact. It gave us an opportunity to think about it a lot deeper. Came into this with no expectation, but happy that we had this experience.